That's his phone. Don't drop it now. You want to open it up for the viewers? Wait, no, don't open it up for the viewers. It's Monday morning. What do I do on Monday mornings? I go to this fabulous place. You probably can't recognize it from here, but you will recognize, oh, this bus. This bus does it all. So I'm here for the really cheap breakfast. It's party breakfast, as you know, because that's all I can afford. That is my life. And it's actually a very nice day. It's supposed to be pretty warm today. I think I can go out in my t-shirt and shorts. Oh look, there's still snow. This is the cafeteria, and this is the aftermath of our $1 breakfast. Delicious. For some reason, my coffee has coffee grounds. I guess that's like an added treat. And then we also tried this carrot cake. I know it doesn't look like carrot cake, but I swear to you, it is carrot cake. And it was alright. It's alright. It's very fibrous. I like fiber. It's gonna help me go real good. Same with this coffee. Coffee helps you poo.
No one needs to know that.
All it takes is a cup of joe to make it all go through. I forgot to record, but now we're at the warehouse area where you can pick up some items to assemble. Because everything in IKEA requires assembly. Everything.
I want to kill people.
My friend wants to buy a phone, so our adventures take us downtown Toronto, where we go to Eaton Center-ish area, Young Dundas Square, the busiest street in Canada, or whatever, something like that. Something I've heard something along those lines. Yeah. So there's this hula hooping world record thing happening right now. Okay, we want each half hour. We just need at most an hour, right? At most an hour. Just take no, you take the ticket. Yeah.
You pay after?
Yeah.
Should be
Okay. Yeah, so you go park and it'll calculate for you. It's okay, we're making excellent time. I believe Starbucks is in this mall / plaza.
there?
Yeah. Oh, it's for electronic vehicles. It's just in this mall, and yeah, you can't go wrong. So are you excited for your new phone?
I'm scared I'm gonna get robbed.
Yo, don't worry. You're the Hulk. You can take down anybody. I am looking for a toilet. Washroom. Here's where we are. I'm gonna search upstairs. Maybe there's a toilet upstairs. I gotta go. Yeah, so my friend's just waiting down there for the guy. And I'm looking for a washroom. See what the future has in store. Future shop. Well, shit. No washroom in sight. So while we're waiting inside, something's happening on the other side. Some sort of hula hooping championship, world record setting thing. There's some people. That's Young Dundas. This is Eaton Center right there, right across. We are outside. We're up all night trying to get lucky. Apparently. He just got his phone. We're walking away from the hustle and bustle. That's his phone. Don't drop it now. You want to open it up for the viewers? Wait, no, don't open it up for the viewers. The viewers could care less. I'm sure some viewers have the 6 Plus and they're just shaking their head. Yeah.
Wait, we gotta go to Queen Street East.
Then it's that way. Why are you walking this way?
This way?
Yeah. On Young?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I like walking back and forth. That's one of my hobbies in life. But yeah, it's a cold, chilly day. We're just gonna meet up with his girlfriend and we're gonna grab something to eat. I don't know what I feel like eating, but I really need a toilet, a washroom. Go walk in. There's some hula hoopers over there. This bloody cleaning truck is in the way. Here they are, hula hooping. So we're just walking down. So we're waiting for our friend. She's probably with Ember.
Okay, we're here.
Is that right?
We're downstairs.
Or Jules on time. Oh, who are they with? Who's she with? Mary's. Mary Jewelry. Okay, there you go. So many jewelers here. This is warm. Check out this architecture. When was it built? We're at Shawarma King. There's all the lovely stuff. So we're getting some shawarmas. Shawarma action. She likes it spicy. She likes it real spicy. This guy doesn't like it spicy.
I like it.
Why are you lacking some spice in your life?
We did, but then after that, it's
So glorious. Okay, anyways. That's the shawarma. It's very good. What do you need? You already did at her building. Okay. No. Trust me, that's the first thing I see. Okay.
McDonald's after this. Want to use the washroom?
That much training is hard. You have to talk to the staff. They'll unlock the...
Use the
Satisfying. We are finally here at Papa Chang's. Taiwanese food at its finest. You can totally smell that. Even though mine's better, this one probably comes close. I smell
no fish flakes. For obvious reasons.
the seaweed. They run to the middle, then they run back. Well done.